Welcome to Del City Direct, Del City's home on YouTube. Today we're going to demonstrate the proper use of Del City's double insulated crimp tool. Crimp tools are used to secure a terminal to a piece of wire. Designed for insulated terminals, this ratcheting crimp tool has two crimp stations that provide a strong, consistent crimp for both standard and reinforced terminals in one easy crimp. This particular tool is best used to crimp 22 through 10 gauge terminals. You'll notice the tool has color-coded die nests that are included to indicate the correct gauge size for easy operation. The real benefit of using a ratcheting crimp tool is the assurance of a proper, professional crimp. And now I'll just show you how to use it. So you basically take a piece of wire, take your terminal, make sure you align it with the proper nest, insert the terminal, and then insert the wire into the terminal. Get it aligned and crimp. You'll know that the job's done when the tool actually will release. And that's it. For more information on these products or to place an order with Del City, please visit us at our website at delcity.net.
Thank you for watching this tutorial.